Good morning. Yes, it is. It is a grand morning. I am popping over on the Alpha Trading Discord real quick. And look who's waiting. Mr. Yasha. Mr. Volatility his self. Oh boy. So, where should we start out? Where should we start out? Probably talk about exactly what I was talking about yesterday. Getting a little, yeah, there you go. I was talking about yesterday how when a data set gets outside of the power mean band, how there is a high probability when you get outside that power mean band that you're going to come back and check up on this reverse wave trend. Just on this chart, you can see it happening twice. Outside the power mean band, Bitcoin's data set goes sideways, ends up pulling back down. Actually, this barely closed below the 33 power mean. This test right here, testing this cross. 33 power mean crossing up the wave trend. So we get a nice big bull move off of that 33 power mean, this cross down here. But what happened? Got outside the power mean band. Now, if we checked up on the reverse wave trend, yes, finally. Well, what happened? We dumped under these log moving averages, started rejecting off the 33 power mean, the little blue dots right there. And finally, boom, you flush out, you go down, you test the wave trend. Dipped a little bit below it, has pulled. I mean, right now we are literally sitting right at the reverse wave trend on the daily. So yeah, not a lot of. And let's see. Let's go down here on the 4 hour. I'm going to show you something real quick. Yeah, here's some volatility. There's the volatility. So volatility literally pretty much contracts to zero on the low length, on the 525 length on our AVR here. As soon as that happened, right, you can see it was contracting negatively correlated. So you got this little float up here, literally from about, I mean, not a lot, 23.2, 23.6, $400. Okay, $400. Volatility totally contracted, expanded immediately. When it expanded, it was still negatively correlated. Look at Entropy. Goes from a random walk straight into trend. This is one time on the 4 hour. You can say, yeah, Bitcoin was trending. Bitcoin trended down. You know, and I searched a little bit to see what was going on. There was a lot of BTC got sold. Miners sold a lot of BTC. But of course, the news, excuse me, the news is going to say BTC miners saw the crash coming and sold Bitcoin. It's a joke. The volatility expanded, negatively correlated, right? That's what happened. The miners sold some Bitcoin. It wasn't because they saw a crash coming. This is what's ridiculous. When they spin news stories like this. Pretty crazy.
Yeah, it could be any narrative you spin on it, right? Like some people will. I think I even heard somebody. I was asked a similar question: "What do you think causes this?" And I answered, "Well, the VEPS caused this." But like, if you're going to spin a narrative on it, it could be anything. It could be that story about the fact that Mt. Gox holders are finally going to start getting their stuff back this month over the next 6 months, and so people were preempting this move. Like it's silly to try to put narrative on when there's VEPS information that tells you this is happening. Yeah. I was sleeping through it, so I didn't know.
Right.
But, I was very clear if you look at the charts. Like, you had some time, especially on the lower time frames. You had some time to get in that move.
Yeah, definitely did. Definitely did indeed. Now, you got the 33 power mean getting ready to flip up right now. This is actually it up here. Wow, look how far outside we are of the bands. Here we go again, right? Now it's not to the top side, to the downside. To the downside. And you can see on the 4 hour chart, right? We got this 4 hour pump. What happened? Made a run at that reverse fissure, right? Look at these candles. Boy, these things barely closed outside the power mean band. But just that push outside of it, look what happened. Came back down, crashed. I mean, just right through the reverse wave trend. I wasn't stopping it. Where did it find support? Right here. Didn't close a 4 hour candle. Did back here. Couple wicks outside the power mean band, right? We just talked about that. But right here, the 99 length log moving average. Caught price right there. So then what's it do? Pumps back up to the reverse wave trend, then rejects. then rejects. So let's see here. Well, imagine that. So right here, what do we got immediately that I see? We got hidden bear div. Hidden bear div setting up right before the dump on the 4 hour. Okay. Hidden bear divergence right before. So when this hidden bear div, right, is setting up, all right, look, returns oscillator just crosses a zero mean right here. You get this nice, these 2 4 hour candles right up to the wave trend. All right. Now the returns oscillator is turned down. Okay. You got hidden bear div. You've got volatility crashed. Right here, your radar is up. No pun intended. Alpha volatility radar. But anyway, your radar is up. Something's coming. You're looking at entropy. Entropy's in a total random walk, right? So what are you doing from here? Are you trading the 4 hour? Impossible to get a good entry, right? Now, could you have got an entry right there at the wave trend? Yeah, but guys, you got to wait for the volatility. You got to wait for the volatility. What if that correlation broke positive, right? And this 4 hour pumped up here, right? Went up to 24K instead of down to 22. That's how people get wrecked. So you got to be able to drop down through time frames and see what was going on right before. Let's see here. Let's see what's going on here. Boom, 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 boom. There it is right there. Okay. So right here on the 33-minute chart, right, you get these higher highs right here. Here's the bear div on the returns oscillator. I don't have to pull up an RSI. I know it wasn't showing any div. So right about here, you're seeing this bear div set up. You get a pullback, right, on this 33-minute candle, start sliding down. Here it is right here. You get a little bit of expansion. Get a little bit of expansion right here, negatively correlated. Then full expansion, positively correlated. And then boom, you got then literally next 33-minute candle, volatility expanded to 100%, negatively correlated. Entropy went straight into trend. So these are the things. So let me put a horizontal on here, or sorry, vertical. Let's see, right when that div was setting up, here, right at the top. Let me see a good spot. Just looking at the rest of these indicators, make sure I don't miss anything here. No, okay. So right here, boom. That's where I'm starting to. That's where my radar's on, right? I'm like, okay, what's going to happen? Is this bear div going to play out? Right? We already know up here on the 4 hour. Let's see how. Yeah, look, candle before. So we're already on high alert, right? We're already on high alert. So let's see, where did the outlier on the 33 start? Yep, same place as the 4 hour. Okay, yeah, this one is a little trickier. There's no doubt about it. Let me see the 90-minute. Yeah, the 90-minute. There you go. There's the hidden bear too. You can see the returns oscillator just hanging around the zero mean. You get this higher high right here. Right after that, here's a 90-minute. All the Fishers getting lockstep too. This would have been one of those things where you saw it coming. Let me get down to the 15. Okay, they're on the 33. Yeah, you were gonna have to be patient on this move. Just wait for wait for the variance outlier. 100%. I mean, here's the volatility expansion back here. Here's the volatility expansion right here on the 15-minute. Indeed. Look at all these correlation breaks. What a nice steady contraction of volatility, but look at all the correlation breaks. Wow. All these 15-minute candles, man. Man, this correlation broke like every half hour almost. 45 minutes to an hour. Yeah, resettling. So what's going to happen now? Everybody's asking, oh no, Bitcoin dumped. Well, hey, man. We can tell you one thing here at Alpha Trading. Bitcoin's going to go up, down, and sideways. We can guarantee that. Here we are in the 15-minute, finally, right? So you dump way outside this power mean band. Literally, overnight. This data set has just went sideways, pulled back up inside the power mean band, all the way, just tested the reverse wave trend. So what's going to happen here? Is it going to reject it, the reverse wave trend? Personally, I'm not thinking so. I am not thinking so. But look at this power mean band. It's actually getting ready to flip up bullish. I mean, it is so tight right now. And you've got the 9 length and 33 length log moving average right at the top of it. Right at the top of it. 33 power mean at the bottom. But yeah, just the fact on the 15, we just ran up here on this 15-minute candle. Tested this power mean about $100 above where we're at right now. Let me see here. Volatility is fully expanded on the 15 too. Positively correlated. That is indeed interesting. But right, we're looking at intraday time frames, trying to figure out how we could have got in that move. And there was a lot of different places where you could have got in there. But that volatility actually on a lot of different time frames, you were going to have to wait for this variance outlier, probably, right? On the 15-minute, probably would have got you the best entry, obviously. Would have got you the best entry. Yes, indeed. Now, there wasn't any divs setting up right there on the 15, though. So, right, you're just like, okay, I'm waiting patiently. You know on the 4 hour what was happening. Then you go over here. So where are we pulling back to? Well, here's the 2-day chart, right? Here's a 2-day chart where when we pumped up here, we ran right up to the 3SD, right? Now, slowly over time, and this is what happens, you start pulling back inside these standard deviation levels of the RMLR. That's the reverse mean of log returns. Finally break inside the 1SD, right? Had another quick pump, but then mean reversion. That's what this is. That's what this data set's doing. It's mean reverting. Here's the RMLR. We're getting ready to get an intersection right now. Now, this is the 30 length. So this is a no-brainer. This came down to get tested, right? And now look on this 2-day chart. What did the 2-day do? See that little blue dot right there? Where that wick went to? Where everybody's like, where do these wicks go? That's the second standard deviation on the 2-day chart. Okay, on this 2-day candle right here. Wick right to it. Pretty powerful move. Indeed, sir. So we go over here. Bam. Let's throw BTC on the 2-day. And you're going to see it right here on the Laplace bands. Bam-o. There you go. There's a 95.4, right? There's a 95.4. So it literally, that wick went to the second standard deviation. There, show our dev bands. Another indicator we got. Let's switch this baby up to normal distribution, huh? Why don't we do that? Yeah, we got the best indies. We got the best indies in town. Let's see here. Come on, baby. Flip. There we go. But what? Let's see. Show band 1, 2, and 3. There we go. So this is what this is going to populate as 5 standard deviations. Come on. Let's go. There it is. There it is, indeed. What am I seeing here? That is the 2-day. Okay, what's not set up right here? Let's see here. I got something not set up right. Because we should be seeing this wick down to the 2SD. What am I doing? I'm on the 2-day? I am on the 2-day. Does this guy even know what the hell he's talking about? Yes, he does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back. Something is not correct, though. And what is it? What is it? Go back up to the top here. Close. Yep, normal. Okay. What am I missing here? 2-day. Current candle. 2SD. That is a 2SD. There's the 1SD right up under there. Yeah, this is interesting why these charts aren't clicking here. Something not set up right over here on the bands. This is why we love volatility bands too, right? Volatility's getting low, right? The bands are showing it too, right? The volatility just crushed before this 2-day move, and it was on top of the mean of the bands. Say the Gaussian mean here. Powerful, but this is what's throwing me for a little bit of a loop here. Saying here we didn't even get past the first standard deviation. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess right now. I got something wrong in the settings. We'll deal with this later. Let me put this back on Laplace, and I will figure it out later. Take off 2 and 3. Boom. 1, 4, 5. Yes, there we go. Okay, back to business. So the 95.4 Laplace is where it's hanging on this 2-day candle right now. That's why I'm having trouble wondering why those that normal distribution band isn't correct, because this is exactly what you're going to see, right? The second standard deviation is going to be outside of that 95 for Laplace a little bit, and that's exactly where that wick went. For whatever reason, whatever setting I don't have correct on that, I'll figure it out later. So that's where that wick went to, right to the 2SD on the 2-day. But now it's pulled back up in inside the 95 for Laplace. Like seeing that. But at the same time, you see something here. What's Dixie doing? What's showing some weakness? So you got Dixie moving to the first standard deviation to the downside, right? You've got the E-minis, the E-mini futures here. Bam, NASDAQ and the S&Ps. They're literally back up, cruising up towards the top side of the weekly volatility range. Here's the first standard deviation for the S&P, first standard deviation on NASDAQ. Kind of surprised both of those minis aren't up at that 1SD. That's usually what you'll see. When you see Dixie move to a first standard deviation level to the top or the downside, you're usually going to see these risky assets exactly the opposite. Exactly the opposite. Let's see, anything we got? Yeah, of course, Coinbase is down pre-market. Of course, going to follow crypto, but a lot of traditional market stocks are up pre-market, and you can see a lot of green, Boom, 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 boom. Tesla up 2.16. Tesla got hammered yesterday, though. Tesla got hammered. Everybody's like, "Oh, it's Tesla's bubble popping." It's like it's always something with the news, man. It's a joke. Instead of just learning volatility, right? You can shit can all the news. You don't need anything. This is all you need. You will see every move coming. But a lot of people just want to trade high time frames and stuff. You're not a professional trader. Just trying to. You're an investor, right? If you're a trader, you're on the low time frames, right? You're intraday trading. That's what you're doing. So none of the high time frame stuff means anything. Let's see. Natural gas up pre-market. Interesting. This thing's all over the place. Just can't break $10, right? At least the U.S. fund. Yesterday closed at 917. That's up what 2% now, 2.4. It's probably up around what 940, I would imagine. Let's see here real quick. Let's pop it on. Yeah. Oh boy, maths. The maths. What'd I say? 940. It's at 938. That's close. I was close. Okay. Let me see here. Where's it at? Boy, bounced right off. Is that the top side of the weekly? No. Hold on here. Where are you, little weekly range? Oh, gas. Come on. There's the new monthly. Now, did it come down and test the monthly? Boy, it tried. Here's the top of the monthly range, this red cross line right here. That being said, where are you? There's the top of the weekly at 827. Oh, natural gas. Let me see here, man. Yep, good. I was going to say God has, you know what? Oh, poor natural gas. Where was that at? 827, top side of the weekly. There was the closest test, really, right here. 840. I mean, because it was definitely running down the check up on that. I am in a natural gas trade. In a March expiration, though. We got a couple weeks. So we good. We good. Let me see if anything else is sticking out. What we need, right? Now, when I say what we need, right, if we want this market to continue to the top side, this dollar is going to have to get below its weekly range. And we all know, here's the top of the monthly down here at 104.3. Here's the bottom of the weekly. Would love to see it get trapped between these two levels today. Don't know if it's going to happen. Really don't. But it would kind of make sense the way this week has went for this dollar to drop out today on Friday. And then we're probably going to have a bloody Monday, I would imagine. Because this dollar has not really... Let me see here. Yeah, man. Usually these data sets really like to test these monthly ranges. And I'm talking into the meat of it. So if this dollar does dump, I don't see it dropping probably below 103.7. But if it starts moving that direction today, you're going to see a nice little pump in the markets. Let's get back to, oh, you dirty dog. Let's drag and drop this bad boy back up here. Come on, you. Okay, you being a pain in the butt now. God dang it. Give me a second, guys and gals. Okay, let's do this the easy way. Man, we are having a massive thunderstorm in the winter again. Probably going to have some more tornadoes. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, just let me reset this chart real quick. There we go. Trading view. Good Lord, man. And this thing, tell you what, my internet is strong right now. Trading view just can't handle us. Come on, populate chart. It's slowly coming. Servers. You know what servers are, right? Take some of that money you're making. Get some more. So you can't handle alpha trading shit, that's apparently. We've known this since day one. You put traditional TA indicators up on TradingView, they love it. Doesn't like the VEPS, I'm telling you that right now. Well, we got a lot, right? These things are deep in code, man. We got some indicators that are 13 to 1,500 lines of code, man. Okay, now we're back. Let's see here, man. Before I go over on the traditional, we got 9 minutes. Let's see if there's any cryptos really poking. Oh, the shorts. Shorts are up 17.6%. Yeah, goofies. They're piling on after the dump. Of course, that's how it always works. People are just insane. This is why people sell bottoms, buy tops, right? You wait for the move. Then you're like, oh, well, Bitcoin must be we're going to short it now. Goodness gracious. And ETH, right? ETH is down too. Yeah, 4.5. Bitcoin and ETH down about 4.5%. Band got wrecked. 8%, 9% down. Litecoin down 6.5. Bonk. Bonk is bonked. Bonk is bonked. If you don't know what bonk is like the Doge of Solana. Or the Shiba Inu of Solana. Whatever it is. Another rando shitcoin. Did I make some money off that? It was a free airdrop too. We love free airdrops, don't we? You gotta love crypto. You just wake up, get a free airdrop, billions of tokens. Guys, at the high, it was 800 SOL. I went to bed on the 800 SOL profit. Should have taken it, but it looked like it was still moving. Woke up, got cut in half. Did I take the profit then? 100% I did. Not bad off a free airdrop, 400 Solana. What are you going to do? Cryptocurrency. Allegedly, that's what happened. Let's see here. I know a lot of people didn't get in on it. Which, hey, man. And we're complaining, I didn't get my free airdrop. Damn it. It's like, well, you're shit out of luck, buddy. That's why they call it a free airdrop. Some got it, some didn't. Yeah, I don't know about today, man. This week has been a shake-up for sure. A shake-up for sure. I mean, if we're talking about full mean reversion on the 2-day on the 30-length RMLR, we're talking 21.5 area. Vote show. I mean, I would be looking. This is what I'm saying, right? You get outside the power mean band, you come back, you check up on the wave trend. It's just hard for me to accept right now, just knowing my indicators that this is going to drop anymore, right? We're too far outside the power mean band the way it is. You've got the 99 log moving average down here at like 20.5. Let's see, let's pop up on here. Let's go up to 2-day, 3-day. Look at the weekly. Yeah, finally pulled back in. We coming down on like a 2-day. Let's see, what's that? 21.2. Possibly. Definitely could. What you got? This is the 99 again right here. And this is a powerful little moving average right here. The log return moving average. We're going to bounce right up here and see where we're at on all these macro time frames. Remember, I was talking about this cross at the beginning of the week. This rejection off the 99 log moving average Everybody starting to see how our indicators work here? I mean, this is a powerful indicator. Everybody that hasn't knows that. So here's the cross getting tested up. 21.1. You're probably going to get a full test of this area. But I'm telling you guys, this is bullish, man. This is bullish. And this was a no-brainer. Rejection right here, that this is exactly what was happening, coming down to test this area. This isn't any 50 and 200 exponential moving averages. What the traditional TA guys like to call the golden and the death crosses, which is total just BS, right? Can't trust the crap. Why? It's lagging, right? Those are indicators built upon price action. Price action follows the returns. That's why we build all our indicators on the returns, right? On log returns. So we know we do not have lagging indicators. So yeah, this is gonna get a little spicy. Spicy. Could we get a weekend checkup down here at like 21K? We absolutely could. All kinds of things blowing up over here. My God. At least my phone's not ringing. Of course, right? Because I guarantee you, I know exactly what's happened. The same like 10, 15 people that have been calling me since Bitcoin was like at 16K. Should I buy? I'm like, I'm never going to give you financial advice. I'll tell you what I was doing. I was buying. Why? Because it was a no-brainer that Bitcoin found its low down there. I'm not saying we can't get new lows. This is cryptocurrency. Who knows what's going on? They can FUD this thing up real quick and scare the shit out of everybody like they always do. Retailers, right? Sell off. It's insane. Don't believe the news, man. Just don't do it. Learn how to trade the VEPS. You'll be much better off. So yeah, a weekend move down there, quite possibly. And I know exactly why my phone is not ringing, like I was just saying, because I guarantee you, people were buying this top up here, right? Oh well, he said he was buying at 16. I'm always like, hey, you like Bitcoin at 16? You'll love it at 24. That's what I always like to say. So I guarantee you that's what's going on. Why I haven't got a phone call? Because they probably did. Probably bought the top. Then Bitcoin dumps a couple K on them. And they're just like, damn it. Yeah, man. That's why we trade low time frame volatility, right? We use these macro time frames to see where this data set is, right? Where is it? Where is it within these log moving averages, the reverse wave trend and Fisher, the standard deviation levels on macro time frames, right? This is all probabilities. And it was probable. This is one of the first things I talked about at the beginning of the week. Was this cross on the 3-day? Weekly, yeah. And at the same time, right, you're up here on the weekly, rejecting off the reverse wave trend. All right, got outside the power mean band down here and charged it right up to it. Especially once it got by the 33 power mean. Pink dotted line there. So now where are we at? We're stuck right in between the 99 and the 33 log moving average. Bam. I mean, did it catch it perfect on the weekly? Did it catch it perfect? That's the 9 length. I mean, look at the wick. Right to it. Are these powerful moving averages? Yeah, man. They really are. Shits and giggles, huh? He said shits and giggles. Let's see here. I want to see something. Boom. Let's throw an EMA. I can't even pronounce it on here. Oh, well, look at that. Boy, that baby did creep right up there. Is that on 9? Wow, that's amazing. That is amazing. Method. Oh, what do you got? SMA. No. What is this? Smoothing? Come on. Get up there. Smoothing 5. We need to turn this smoothing off. What the hell is this thing doing? Hold on here. I'm just talking shit about it, and that thing did. It checked up too, didn't it? Interesting. You lucky little bastard. All right, it's enough of that. Get that back off my chart. Anyway, you're not going to see that often. You really aren't going to see that often. But you can see how choppy that thing was. You can see how choppy it was. All right. Yasha's laughing right now, probably. Okay. This weekly is going to have to get above this.
Bro, EMA, what?
Going to have to get above this wave.
That made coffee come out of my nose, man.
I bet. All right. So we got the reverse wave trend on the weekly up there at 24.6. That's where it rejected from. Pulled right back down to that log moving average. No, it's raining. You're not going out. So quit. Although, I don't know. You're pretty waterproof, aren't you? Dogs, what are you going to do? Oh, buddy. Not going to get enough history. Yeah, we're... outside the power mean band. Macros it gets, right, on the monthly. What did that monthly do? Right to the reverse wave trend. Yeah, this thing's got some work to do. Really does. Do I think that was low? I do, man. I just do. Now we came up. But I'm telling you right now, this could reject farther. But look, you're in no man's land down here outside the power mean band. This monthly needs to get up above 24.5. Hang out. Boom. Then we can start moving the top side of this band, which, yeah, guys, it's up there, man. It's up there. 47K. Not bad. Not freaking bad. That was 4 hours so far outside this. It's insane. I mean, look at that 4 hour candle. What a beaut. What percentage was that? And I saw some people in the alpha trading Discord, right? They're like, oh, I missed that move. It's like, it's okay. There's plenty. My goodness gracious. Let's get this over here a little bit. Is that same? Yeah. $1,500. 6.3%. Nice. Hell of a move. Hell of a move. They're going to say, oh, Bitcoin miners, they're selling their Bitcoin. Like, come on, man. Yeah, that's why. Has nothing to do with volatility. I would love to pull those charts too and exactly see, because it's they say that that's what caused the crash, but in the same article said they were selling like beginning of the week, last few days, and because the Bitcoin miners sold, that's why the market crashed. It's always something, man. It's always something ridiculous. Makes 0 cents. 0 cents indeed. Yeah, you can go. There's so many different examples how when you get outside this power mean band, how you go up and check on that wave trend, man. I mean, there's a bunch of examples right here. We're going to do it again at some point. Yep. Yep. And if this is an up day, don't be shocked. Don't be shocked that Bitcoin just rips up. Because why? Guarantee you, there's people sitting in these shorts, man, that have not taken their profit. When you don't take your profit, the algos are going to take it from you. Everybody has to learn that the hard way. Why in God's name would you not take this profit? Right? That happened quick too. That happened real quick. And there was a lot of different levels where you could have taken that profit at. Big time. Let's see here. I mean, oh my God, it happened. I mean, what was it? I think it was 2 15-minute candles. That's how that ended up playing out. Yeah.
It was 15-minute candles. It was literally like 3, 4, 5 minutes down and then a few minutes over on the 1 minute candle.
Yeah.
And then like 2 more minutes down. It was all within like 15 minutes, split over 15. And it had that nice, easy place to take profit and reposition for that second leg, you know, or for anybody to get impacted. I mean, I was sleeping, like I said, but if you look at it on the 1 minute, it's eminently clear where you could have taken your profit on the first part of the dump, gotten into, and then gotten into reposition with more capital, and then taking the rest of the dump.
Yep. And look where. So these 2 wicks on these 2 candles that are flanking this bearish candle right here, those wicks went right to the skinny blue line here. That skinny blue line is the 5th standard deviation on that 4 hour candle. Price say, really? I don't have cows. I swear to God, that's a dog. Sound like you just fucking mooed. What, dude? It's raining, big dog. What? Come here. Come on up in here. Show everybody that big head. Huh? Are you a good boy?
Show him the thumbnail and tell him that he's an inspiration for one of the 2 wolves on that picture.
Yeah. Nice.
He's the other.
Oh, you a good dog. He's a beast too, man. You don't want to be on the wrong end of him. I guarantee that. I treat him good. Give him lots of biscuits, so he doesn't treat me like one. You want out? Go ahead. Go get wet. Bye. Yeah, it's pouring, man. Go get some. Hurry up. Good Lord. Give me a sec. Give me 1 second, baby.
The dogs of alpha trading, the real wolf pack. We got dogs split all over, spread around all over the world.
Wolf pack. Okay.
We have dogs in different time frames in alpha trading.
Yes, sir. Indeed. So yeah, that's what halted the price action. So where am I taking profits at? The first thing I would, if I was in this move, and I didn't get down into the gritty, the 1 minute, 3 minute, but guarantee you were in on this move. Where are you taking profit? First standard deviation. Look at that first 15-minute candle. Would I have front run that area? Of course I would have. Of course I would have. I would have actually probably been here on the, this was the second support level on the daily, right? That's where I would have front ran that second standard deviation. Did I get my profit? Yep. Then probably collected myself and I was right back into the move. Where would I take in profit there? 95.4 Laplace, right? If not at this weekly support level, first weekly support level. This is how we roll, level by level by level, taking profits on low time frames because we know how volatile BTC is. Big time. I'll tell you what, if it rejects off of this weekly level, here, put it this way too. If the traditional markets have a nice up day, the dollar rejects here off of the center of the weekly, drops down below the bottom of its weekly, right? And doesn't find support on this monthly, gets trapped up in here or something. And Bitcoin's not pumping. Bitcoin can't get back up above this weekly level. Trouble, right? What am I saying? My bias. That's what I'm talking about. What would my bias be when I'm scalping these low time frames? So these are the types of the things I'm looking for. Where's the data set? Oh, what? Did I not have my brokerage account up? I didn't. Wondered why. Now the traditional market's open. Crying out loud. Oh my God, I needed to make some adjustments. Ah! Pull it up.
Let's see. Ding was like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah. Let me see here, man. Let me load this up.
The market is open. It is Friday. Have fun.
It's Friday. Yes, let me take one quick peek at this thing. That makes 0 cents, but that's okay. Yeah, coin. All right. All right, Netflix. All right, you good. All right. Yeah, I'm actually all right. Okay, let's see here. So yeah, pre-market, S&P gapped up a little bit, right? Where'd it gap up to? Right above that monthly. Let me see something. Dun, 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 dun. Give me a sec. Come on, move. Pretty sure that is the first resistance level for the monthly. Wait a minute. No. That's the bottom of the monthly range. Yes. It's actually a good thing. Needs to stay up in here, man. Right? See SPY come up and check up on 402, center of the monthly. This dollar is going to have to drop off, though. Now my Laplace distribution, normal distribution on this chart. Laplace distribution on this chart. Come on, Trading View. Good Lord. What do we got to do? What do you need? Huh? What do you need? You need help? So Coinbase gaps down early, right to the 68.3 Laplace. Little white cross right here. One of the only ones yesterday, right? The thing ran yesterday. Oh, yeah. Look at that little dollar. Boom. Busted up above the 1 SD. All right. And then found support late in the day. But just being up here going sideways, a lot of these assets at the end of the day yesterday, right? They just slowly crept back up. Coinbase all day long. Just floated right to the top. Tight daily range. And that was another thing I didn't show on Bitcoin. Shit. This is another reason why I was looking, right? I'm on the other charts. Look how tight. Look how tight that daily range was. That's literally telling you BTC is going to trend. BTC is going to trend. And when you're looking at all those charts, and I'm seeing bear div, hidden bear div, split between all these time frames, no brainer. Especially at a tight monthly range too. So this spill out that quick, that volatility right there, in the cards, 100%. You're just waiting. You are waiting. Now, obviously, it could have bounced off the monthly here and trended to the top side. But with all that bear div and hidden bear div, that definitely was not happening. The move was to the downside. It's pretty much a no-brainer. Obviously, I wasn't trading it, but yeah, it was a no-brainer. No-brainer. Let me flip this over on traditional markets here real quick. If you are watching the stream live or in Discord and you want something looked at, you want an asset looked at, pop it in the general chat in the Discord or in the chat on TradingView or YouTube. It's hard to monitor all these things, but yeah, we'll give it a shot.
Or in the stream chat on Discord.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, on the general chat in the stream. Yeah.
No, there's the general chat and then there's the actual chat of the stream.
Yeah, but it's easier. And well, we don't have to be there. I don't have to be there now because I don't have the. Yeah, wherever you want to leave it. It's easier just in because some people don't even know how to find Alpha Voice chat. It's easier just in the general chat.
Yeah, just put your. Well, I guess so.
Let's see here. Yeah, it's winter time and it's thundering. Gonna have another tornado warning today. Good Lord. Not in Kansas anymore. We are not in Kansas anymore. Yeah, these markets are going to be erratic today, I would imagine. But I am. Bitcoin on the 4 hour, way outside that power mean band, man. And let's look at the 4 hour on the RMLR. This baby dropped to, man. Let's just see here. What is the 7 length? Yeah, they're right on top of each other. Let's let this power mean populate.
Meanwhile, should I just mention again to whoever's listening that maybe didn't hear yesterday's stream, we're now giving away a free book for trading volatility for beginners. It's similar to the full-size one that we give to our pro trader subscribers, but it's redacted and edited down for beginners who just have access to limited subset of indicators for the volatility starter indicators and for the pro trader free trial indicators. So, and it's got a whole bunch of other information too about how to trade, the VEPS. So come to the Discord. If you're already in there, just ask for it in the support ticket. If you're not in there, feel free to join and ask, and you can get that access to that book when you sign up for it. Well, you just get it for free anyway, but if you sign up for Money Starter, you probably can get it. Even my pussy here agrees.
I was about to say, your pussy's agreeing.
Yeah, she's all braggadocio about it.
Let me see something real quick. Where's the 7 at? Yeah. So still, right? You get this move. You get these moves, man. Come on here. You turn off the 7. Yeah, that 7's the one that's getting ready to have an intersection. So it's kind of a no-brainer. We turn off the 30. Man, this thing is slower than shit today. This is way worse than yesterday. Do not know what's happening. Talked about it too. Remember, like earlier in the week, some of the streams, some of the titles, 20K or 32K first. Hey, man, it could be 20. Who knows? Here is, right? What do we got here? 33 power mean. 33 power mean after a move above the 2 SD bands. I made a run at the 3 SD. Is it going to mean revert? Sure could. The 30 length is way down here. But you're getting ready to have an intersection here. So when you have things like this, sometimes you will check up. You will check up and fully mean revert. So yeah, I mean, it could be 20K first. But in the grand scheme of things, we don't care. That's just helping me with my bias, especially going into next week, right? Intraday trading Bitcoin. What's going to happen? It's looking more likely, more probable this thing's going to mean revert on this macro time frame. Look at this monthly. Now, why do I say 32K? Same deal. The same freaking deal. Because returns mean revert. Here's the 33 up here. Right now it's about 33.5. It rose when we got the new month. It was about 32.5 back here last month, which is fine. Ding ding. So somewhere above 30. That's where I'm looking for. This power mean to get tested up here. Let me see something real quick. There's a 30 length up here on this macro. Yeah, way up high too. So you've got the 7 or you got this 11 and 30 length, man. They are on two opposite sides of the globe. scale this down. There we go. Let's scale this down. Especially, we're on the top side of the RMLR. Top side. We're getting that hole right here. Well, here's one dog. Hold on. Come on. Get up in here. Come on. Hey, stop! Jesus. Go lay down. This dog is soaked. This dog is just soaked. All right, go lay down. Go on. Go lay down.
The dog.
I got a couple mops now. Fuck. Straight up mops. Alrighty.
Get some frozen sausage sticks, and you can stick time to the other end of it, and they'll just sit there and nosh on the sausage stick while you push them around back and forth and mop the floor.
Right. So if we're talking about a 5-day, this is interesting. Here's the 5-day on the RMLR. literally on this 5-day candle. Oh yeah, just got the bad boy too yesterday. Look at the 5-day. 99.7 Laplace and the 33 power mean are right on top of each other. We're at 19.2. We gonna get a plunge here? Look at the volatility, or look at the bands around the RMLR. Tight, man. Very tight. 30 length is down there too. So we're literally between the two RMLRs. You got the power mean right between them. Yeah, that almost kind of makes sense. Yeah. My bias is slowly but surely flipping around here. But I'm going to stick to my guns. Unless something catastrophic happens. You know, I mean, they've been trying to take down crypto forever. Like yesterday, what did that news come out? That now it's official, $8.9 billion are missing. It's like, what are we? Are we in the fucking Twilight Zone? Didn't we already know this? This is what, it's insanity. Total insanity, man.
Well, we knew there was like 8 billion. You mean the FTX thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they knew there was 8 billion missing, but they also recovered like 5 or 6 billion of it already.
That's bullshit. But
yeah, so like you get all this hubbub over. I mean, it's not like $2 billion is nothing, but all this hubbub over 2 billion. Like Mt. Gox was bigger than that.
Yeah, but now they're saying that it wasn't recovered. How could 5 billion be recovered if now they announced yesterday? No, we were right. There's 8.9 billion customer funds are missing.
Well, I don't know, but they said like a month or two ago already that the Bahamian authorities had secured like 4.5 billion, and the guy that took over as their CEO announced that they recovered another billion. That was even before that, and then they like since recovered more money. So they're supposed to have recovered way more than half of it by now.
But then yesterday they say that nope, there's 8.9 billion missing.
Right. So hey man, it's numbers on paper. Who knows?
I know. It's like they almost said that. Oh yeah, the Bahamian authorities or blah blah blah, just to like settle everybody down. Oh, don't worry, we're getting your money back.
Yeah, I mean, it's the perfect scapegoat in many ways. Even if they did do obviously bad things with the whole mismanagement of funds, but they're very much
mismanagement. I love that too, right? They use that word. Oh, they mismanage funds. They're a bunch of crooks. Yeah. They didn't mismanage shit. They stole it, in my opinion.
Yeah, they mishandled it.
Yeah, it's a big mishandling. How'd you mishandle it? Oh, I just put it in my pocket.
Yeah, and I took it from my hand, and I had my miss was standing next to me, and I put it in her hand. I mishandled it.
Yeah. That's how I mishandled it. Mishandled it right into my overseas bank accounts.
That's right, and then those real estate properties, and yachts and whatnot. But like I mean, it's just very much a scapegoat.
Yeah.
It 100%. Like, oh yeah, what a coincidence that at the same time that all these regulators are being shoved to talk more about a crypto thing because it's been kind of quiet since the last year and a half, because they've all been taking money not just from him but from other places. All of a sudden, what do you know? There's a fall guy, real easy one to pick off and scapegoat, and for all the right reasons or whatever. But why didn't they look at all the other exchanges that are doing this sort of thing? It's and then all of a sudden Mt. Gox comes out with, oh yeah, we're at now, what is it, like 9 years since the hack?
Yeah.
Like, now we're giving money away. Now we're going to give you back your money, holders. You've been in an involuntary staking pool for 9 years. Now you're going to get, your money or whatever.
It's insane.
And it's just, it's that, and there's so many things that.
Wow, bonds, man, bonds.
I don't want to go off the deep end. We're in trading land. We're not in news land. Thank goodness for that. Like, the beauty of we don't have to care about this year it started, right? And every year since then. Because there's been a big disaster story every year in up markets and in down markets.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah.
And yet here we are. Bitcoin's still over, $20,000 or whatever. 22,000 and change.
Wow. Yeah, look at those. Look at the recovery on those bond futures, man. Because it literally did. It dipped down inside 123. 122.2. Yeah, man. Boy, that thing just ripped back up. Here's another. It don't matter if you're trading. It don't matter what you're trading. Outside the power mean band. Where were T-bonds? Right, where did they go? Right to the wave trend. Right to the reverse wave trend. Yeah, man. Shit's real. I heard some people, oh, bonds, oh my God. I didn't even look at the chart on the 4 hour. Where they're just doom and gloom. I'm like, be patient. Be patient. This shit's going to reverse and probably go right back to where it dumped. And boy, it was really close. Right. Gotta love it. Here's what I want to do, though. All right. Let's throw Dixie up here. Ho! On the 4 hour, volatility is, oh my goodness gracious. So, there's a big move coming in Dixie. Got all the volatility. All the volatility lengths are low. Right, we got the 2400s at a 14.2, 981 at a 14.9, 525. Literally crushed at zero. So, look at the dollar. Outside the power mean band. What happened? Wave trend. Every time. Let's see. Even did it here, right? But blasted right through the top side of the power mean band. So, that being said.
By the way, there's a reason that we show sometimes that power mean band. It's not just because it looks pretty. I know it does, but
it's pretty.
It does look pretty. But, there's a significant probability relating to each of those bands, right? That's why those bands are so significant, right? Those are not just random lines. We decided, we'll stick this line on this number for no particular reason.
Yeah. This is a no-brainer on the dollar right here. What is this on the daily? Probably going into next week. 103.8. Jesus. It could do it today. You never know. But, yeah, this wave trend, definitely going to get a little test down here. Why? I don't know. You tell me. I'm talking about it for days. Power mean band, man. Now you're rejecting off this 99 right here. And I talked about this yesterday on the daily, on the dollar. You got this reverse Fisher up above 105.6. Didn't you? Attempted a couple times to get up here. This 99 log moving average is a bear, man. It is a bear. Indeed, sir. But yeah, I can see this wave trend getting checked up on. What is that on the daily? It's just weekly. Yeah, probably outside the power mean band. I bet this baby came right back up. Let's see what happened. Pretty much outside the power mean band. Wave trend. Got up above it, though. And look at that. Dump on the dollar. Right back down to where? Reverse wave trend. Reverse wave trend and the 33 length. Is that the 33? That is the 33 log moving average. Gotta love it. Oh, we just lost our new guy. Where'd he go? It's all good. We got him creeping in.
I know. Maybe just clear something for him. So.
But also, look on the weekly or on the monthly. When that dollar went on its bull run, this is a no-brainer, man. No-brainer. Are we gonna see? We're gonna see See it back at fucking 99 area? If we do, these markets are going to pop. Mark my words. If this dollar checks up on this monthly wave trend down here again, right, comes back down to this area, look out. Look out. You'll see Bitcoin at 30K. No doubt in my mind. But that's a hell of a drop on the dollar. Let's see if it happens next week, right? Maybe by the end of the month. We'll see. This quarter, though, I mean, I talked about this at the beginning of the year. I thought the first quarter was going to be bullish. Traditional markets, crypto, everything. Has been so far.
Yep.
Has been so far. And
yeah, even with this late drop, like if you look over the monthly, January, February, March, the asset has only come down like, like Bitcoin in particular, like 10% from the high.
Mm-hmm.
That's not very much. And it went up like 50% and dropped back 10%, maybe 15 now or whatever. Not a lot.
Right.
I'm not saying it's all an easy path to the upside now, but
there we
just
go.
saying it's not like, and when I still look at the weekly, I still see it can go down to 19.5 and it can go down even like 14, 15K to go down to the RMLR that it, was away from. But that doesn't mean it has to do it now, right? It literally took, 9 months, 10 months for the last one to happen, from March of 2022 until January of 2023.
Yeah.
That's basically a year, right? From the time it last touched a weekly, dropped down to a 3 FTW to the downside, and then made its way back to the weekly power mean, right? It, like on the weekly TF. That's 9 months, 10 months. That's basically a year that it took to do that. Right? So there's no reason to assume, just because it looks kind of like it might do that now, doesn't mean it's going to happen anywhere now or tomorrow or next week or next month or even next quarter. It could take, we just had it take 10 months. It could take another 10 months, maybe longer. It could take less time, but there's no guarantees. But we do see the probabilities, and that is very useful and very indicative. Yeah. And we do know that it is more likely now to make a mean reversion to at least the power mean, because that's the first one on the way, if not to the RMLR below it. And wherever it meets that RMLR, which is currently below it, but may not be soon, depending on how things go, it could sideways walk over to it. It could jump up to it. We still got with it.
Let me see here.
But yeah, we're definitely a mean reversion on the weekly.
Yeah, and we're setting up some divs too. Setting up divs on the 5-day. In the 21-day looked a little overcooked. Yeah, man. I mean, I see this dollar coming down. I mean, here's the 5-day, right? You're negatively correlated. You're starting to get some expansion. Heading back into a random walk. I'm going to see this trend to the downside. Yeah, we like weak dollar. We like a weak dollar. Yeah, we lost Sayron too. Just me and Yasha hanging out in the Discord chat, which is how we like to roll. That's how we like to roll.
We got the Sayron. He's back, man. He's just busy with his hands, poking players.
99, there that is, right around 99 on the 5 days. The Fisher as well. But that's way outside the power mean band. If we do dump out, hey man, this dollar going to be all over the place. All over the place. I mean, because on the 5-day, I mean, we're solid right inside this power mean band, so really not an issue right now. Did come back down, sent a wick right to that wave trend, pulled back up. I don't see it lasting though. I'm going to be honest. I do think this month is going to be bullish going into this first quarter. Speaking of first quarters, let me take a peek here. Don't look at it much, but hey, 3 month. I don't need to. Well, there you go again. Even on the 3 month. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, this dollar could get wrecked. This dollar could get wrecked. That baby is way outside the power mean band.
Yeah.
Goodness. What about SPY? SPY is in it. Like seeing that. Right? Was outside here. Boy sent a wick down. Almost tested that bad boy. That is a good test there. Now we're just chilling. Right? SPY is just sitting in the top of the power mean band on top of the 9 log. Yes, it is. It's really not that bad. Not that bad at all. Especially, boom, what do you got? You got hidden bull. The returns oscillator on the quarterly hasn't even crossed a zero mean. Look out. I'm telling you, man. Look out. Look out for these markets. Everybody wants to be bearish. Be bearish as you want, man. You're in a gang. You're in a freaking gang. Don't get wrecked. Don't get freaking wrecked. Meanwhile, SPY being resilient. Indeed. So is Coinbase, just like yesterday, right? Coinbase give zero shits about what the dollar was doing yesterday. Thing just slowly climbed right to the top. Almost. I mean, because pre-market, right? Dumped out. Whoop. Bears gave it all back. If you did not take your profit on these down news yesterday, I don't know what to tell you. Can't help you. Can't help you. I can't seem to become a profitable trader. It's like, that's because you're not taking your profits. All you got to do is take your profit. Then you're a profitable trader. Where in the hell? Yeah, it's supposed to pour rain all day. No break. 100%. It's like, wow. Okay. Get a little flooding going on. Dollar's starting to show a little strength there, though, around the daily range. It's breaking above the center. You can see it's struggled all day, getting above the top. It's been rejecting off of it. Right down to the 1SD. There was the last rejection off the center of the daily. Right to the first standard deviation. Now, where's it at again? Right at the top side of the daily. Is it going to keep moving? If it is, we're going to see some shit spill out here. Going to see some shit spill out. Yep. There we go. Get everybody all faked out, man. All faked out. Where was that? Daily range. And this daily range on SPY, literally, yeah, needs to be tested. Bottom side of the weekly, 397, 398. Oh my God, I'm going to go over here real quick. What are we doing here? Dun, 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 dun. Trade. So 0 DPA. 98.42 cents. Not bad, not bad. Okay, SPY. Where are you? Where are you? What's 1SD? God dang, man. Really? Boy, this damn thing sure could. Especially if this dollar runs to the top side of the 68.3, even makes a run at that 1SD to the top side. Man, look out. It's at up here at 105. You could easily see SPY down here at the 1SD. 394, 395. God, man, those things are a dime. Those things are a dime down there. Goodness gracious. It's like money. Okay, let me see something here, man. I am sick of this trade, to be honest. What do we got? What do we got? Boom, boom, boom. Whose position? Full. What would this bring in here? A little trader in my head screaming, take profit. Take the profit, he says. When's this thing expire? 14 days, huh? 2 weeks right now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay, order set. Just waiting to hear the magic. Waiting to hear it get filled. Waiting to hear that baby get filled. Let's see here. What are we doing? What are we doing? All right. So, what assets? Got anybody want to look at some assets, huh? What do we got?
Screenshot you. I've been screenshotting you.
Yeah, nobody, huh? Nobody wants to look at anything. Everybody just wants to hear those VEPS traders. I got to reload this chart. I'm afraid to reload it again, though. I mean, I got my Laplace distribution not populating. It's irking me. Normal on this chart. Come on, man. Come on. Trading me. Yeah, I want to reload it. Again.
I wanted to go over the volatility and entropy cheat sheet just for anybody who doesn't know the tendencies. I'm just going to make it real quick.
Go for it.
All right, man. So, yeah, this is not a set of hard, fast rules. These are just tendencies. Do your own research. These are powerful. Given that, positive returns are usually followed by positive returns. Negative returns are usually followed by negative returns. The standard deviation of returns is volatility, and returns are mean reverting, price isn't. The tendencies of volatility trading are as follows. Volatility expansion plus positive correlation equals pump. Volatility expansion plus negative correlation equals dump. Volatility contraction plus negative correlation equals price moves up. Sideways volatility plus positive correlation equals price moves down. Sideways volatility plus positive correlation equals price moves down. And sideways volatility plus negative correlation equals price moves up. So please note, these tendencies also work just as well on entropy with correlation as they do on volatility with correlation. Unfortunately, we have indicators for those at Alpha Trading. Anyway, those are the 6 tendencies of trading volatility and entropy. Learn those. Kind of off to the races once you figure out how many of the indicators really you can do that with, especially the key ones, the primary ones. They're all about how you read this stuff and make the decision of what to do with leading information, with leading indicators, as opposed to lagging information from the lagging indicators, where all that other junk is. So if you're looking at the leading indicators, learn those tendencies, look at each candle, see how often they work. It's a whole heck of a lot of the times, the overwhelming majority of times, in fact, damn near 100% in many cases, but we don't say it's 100%, because there are definitely times when it doesn't happen because of randomness, also known as geometric Brownian motion, or GBM. And so by the way, that cheat sheet is available in a bunch of places, so we give it away for free. So if you want that, you can either DM me or ask any of us in the community for that. You can DM me. Apparently, you can DM me on TradingView too. So you can do that, and on the other community places and whatever. But yeah, so that is our volatility and entropy cheat sheet. We made that to make it easier for people to learn how to trade this way, and it is fairly simple. It's really just those 6 tendencies to learn. So, I mean, there's a lot more to learn, but that's the fundamental stuff. Figure that out, you go a long way.
Yes.
Don't figure that out. If you don't figure that out, and you haven't even begun. Anyway.
Let's see here. Dollar. Right back at the top of the weekly. Yep. Had trouble with it yesterday. Let's see what happens. It's up there. It's pulling back right now, though. Hey, man. I'm telling you, these levels matter.
All the other ones in the pink. That one's up in the blue.
Rainy, cold. Oh, look at Filthy Snipes. Okay. Okay. I got you. I got you. We love our Filthy Snipes. I mean, that's it's a best name. Every time I see that profile pic, I just laugh. Oh, you bring comedy into my life, my friend.
Yeah,
that is some funny shit.
Sure.
That is funny shit. All right, here we got Matic. Matic. Okay, Matic. Okay, Matic. What are we doing? Okay. Outside that power mean band. There's that wave trend up there. 125. Okay. That's the thing. How do you know when? Because it is going to happen. You get outside the power mean band, you're going to go test up here. When though? Well, that's why you gotta have a workflow. Got to be able to recognize when that move to the top side is starting. Obviously, right now, right? This dollar showing some strength. It's not happening right now. That is for sure. Well, how do you know that always happens? I don't know. I'll show you 1,000 charts. When you get outside the power mean band, at some point you come back up and you're going to check up on the wave trend, right? Now this baby right here didn't quite make it. Why? I mean, we were sitting right on top of it, right? Barely got. We were just checking up, got back down inside of it. That's way outside. So this was a no-brainer right here. Now, literally, the data set is below that wave trend. Got the 99 down here at what? A little about a buck and 4 pennies, a buck and a nickel. Reverse Fisher at about 97 cents. Well, that is the daily, which Matic probably doesn't have even enough history. Nah, this is all data problems. There's not enough history. There's the bear div right there, though. Got this tumbling down. So, on the weekly, outside the power mean band, boom. There's the Fisher, about a buck and a nickel. A buck and a nickel. Don't be surprised to see Matic drop another 11 cents or so. Although, I mean, yeah, especially this power mean band tight like that. This thing's got some work to do. About a 2-day. Where are you at? Yep, 2 days almost there. 2 days almost at that reverse wave trend. Reverse. Yes. Reverse wave trend. There's the 3-day. Okay. And then the daily through it. So what do I think? So 2-day and the 3-day going to follow through too? Probably. Probably here at some point. Unless the market just goes full bull this weekend, which it could. But at the same time, I mean, I could see Bitcoin getting down there, that 20K first. Right? Could have that sell-off over the weekend. I don't know. Let's see. Going to be some good scalps this weekend. That's for damn sure. Damn sure. Be some good trading going on. Get some of that Saron. That's right. Yeah, I saw you were like, oh, I didn't get any of that move. That's okay. There's plenty more coming. So we love volatility trading. There is always an occurrence on some time frame. Some low time frame. Bam, there was the hidden. There was the hidden bear. Yeah, spilling. It is a spilling over. So, Matic, huh? Yeah. Now, we know everything's going to follow Bitcoin when we're talking about crypto. You're going to have your rando shit coins that might be pumping, dumping or something, but usually they're all just running together, unlike traditional markets, right? All these earning plays and shit. Yesterday, there were some fucking earning plays at the top side that were just stupid in traditional markets. Stupid. But crypto's a scam. Crypto's a scam. There's nothing going on in traditional markets. Nothing to see here. It's the biggest criminals in the world. Yeah. Biggest criminals in the world. It's all right, though. The old banksters. The banksters. I bet the 33 is almost back up at the reverse wave trend on Matic. Probably just like BTC. If it ever populates, which it will, it's a coming. Come on.
Trying to keep you down, man.
Man, oh man, oh man.
Trying to keep you down.
You gonna populate for me? Yep. All right, Saron. See you later. Yeah, just sitting at the bottom. Yeah, this is good. That actually did pull back up in here. There's a little checkup right there, that wick. Volatility is flat right now, positively correlated. Flat, positive. Need some expansion, or is that contracting a little bit? Oh, it's contracting. My bad. Yeah, hence wick down. But man, this thing pulled right back up in the 68.3 on this current candle. That closes in 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, Matic like the rest. I mean, it's just gonna hook around. Speaking of polking around, polka dot. What the hell was that? Oh my god! I'm gonna have such a 140, 50 pound soaking wet dog. Ooh, Dot. Hello, hello, Dot. How are you? How are you, Dot?
Oh, look, it looks like every other crypto coin that fell and then bounced to over.
Yeah, Dot's pulling back up inside its 99 right now. Right now. Literally on this daily, it literally came down, hit the 2S or the 95 for Laplace as well. Let's see, what are we talking about, Dot? Anything about Dot? Ah, boo. Boo. Price analysis. Yeah, I'm sure. What are you using?
Sure.
Your 21 EMA? Probably. Probably. And there's the Dot. There's the hidden bear on the Dot. Just now dropping below the zero mean. $4.63 down here, huh, man? That's just way. This thing's already outside the power mean band on the daily. I don't know. What do I think on the 2 days? Probably checked up right on it. Yep, it's right at. And there's that cross right here. I mean, it got a little test there. Now it's deep into it. Ran down, tested the Fisher. Oh, tried to run down, test 33 power mean. This actually looks good. I'm not going to lie. I mean, you're dead in the middle of the power mean band. You've already checked that. Just need the dollar to show some weakness. Dot's going to flip this thing around. Probably see it up at $7. Yeah, this is where I'll have to see a daily close this evening on crypto to get a beat on the weekend, because I'm right in the middle right now. Really no bias, top side or downside.
Yeah, Matt.
Oh, do we have Matt from Alpha Trading?
Yeah.
Has he made an appearance?
Long lost partner.
There he is. Sir.
What's up?
Sup?
Oh,
Oh, you know, living the dream, man.
that's right, baby.
Living
Take
the
those trades. I actually got a good scalp last night.
nice,
On a drop.
nice.
Woo, woo. Nice one. I was.
Very nice, sir.
Good on you, man.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to dip into the crypto. Have not been scalping it or trading it for a bit now. Just been trading options in traditional market, but yeah, I'm getting antsy, man. I'm getting antsy.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a while, so I'm like, I gotta get. I mean, this is too good of an opportunity right here.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Stay up a little late. Stayed up later, took my profit, but
that's right.
Felt good, boys. Felt good. Feels good to get some profit.
I mean, if you jumped into it right before it happened and then you took it out right after it happened, you had to stay up later like 15 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
So, worth it, I say.
Is he under? Nah. Renegade animal outrunning. I barely got him in. Barely got him in last night.
The Silvergate death spiral and what it means for the crypto industry. Again.
Oh, we got a death, not the death spiral.
Death spiral, bro. Yeah. Bitcoin is at 22.3.
We're pulling out all the catchphrases. The death spiral is on its way.
Yeah. Bitcoin collapses 5% overnight. What's going on?
Volatility.
Prices became lower because more people sold than bought at that particular time.
Let's keep it simple, folks. They always want to spin it.
YouTube Jimmy. That's straight one. We're one of the big YouTube Jimmys right there.
Little YouTube Jimmy. YouTube Jimmy. Yeah. He's a work hard. Work hard. Yeah, you can see the dollar sent a wick up to the top of the weekly, man. Pulled back. Look where that 15-minute candle closed. Right inside the center of the daily range. Right inside the center of the daily. The S&P, right, with that big pump to the top, right, sent a wick down to where? Top of its weekly.
Yep. Almost did it perfectly, yep.
Yeah. And then bounce. Boom. Here it is. Back up here above this first support level on the daily. So what? Something's got to give. Something's got to give. Here's the center of the monthly up here at like 402. Center of the monthly at about 402. Nothing's really sticking out though. Doing anything special. Let's see if we got any little outliers here.
When the cat's away,
the mice do play. That's why when this thing when traditional closes for the weekend, this could get interesting.
Yeah.
Meta down 4%. Oh, Meta.
Frank, it's still less than time yet on the traditional, right? They just opened up 50 minutes ago. There's still time today.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Plenty.
Pump it in the morning and then dump it in the afternoon.
Yeah, there's always something like that, or the other way.
Yeah, or the other way. pick your choice.
Pick your poison, man. Pick your poison.
And then crypto will pump over the weekend, and they'll dump it into Sunday night. You gotta love it.
Gotta love it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's usually some nice movement on Sundays in the run up to the CMEs, and there's plenty of like nice little ranging moves, even on a trending day on a weekend. You get like tons of little hills up and down, up and down.
Yeah.
Even when you get the trending moves along the way. Great. And with a range as tight as we've seen, arguably, yeah, sure, the big move of the day. If there isn't a bigger one, okay, so that was the big trending move of the day, but there's still plenty of other trending moves along the lower time frame. So,
I mean, it's amazing. If you don't have these tools, if you don't understand volatility, it's like, how do you even try to navigate these markets?
Hey, there's no way.
I know, it's so crazy. Once you get this in your blood, it's like, this is how the markets work. So why? Yeah. I mean, how do you navigate without it?
Well, because you know how it is when you're trained on that other stuff and you think that it's correct, and for some reason you're the reason it's not working, right?
Yeah, right.
You don't.
Yeah, that's a good point.
People who use that stuff, they don't.
That's right. That's why you need your your emo support group and your emo freaking teaching class.
Yeah, exactly. No, but even think about it. That's why, because they're brainwashed into thinking that the tools are great. It's just you don't know how to use them as well as I do. Really? Because last time I checked, I can use a handsaw as well as the next guy. I can use a computer as well as the next guy. Why can't I use a trading indicator as well as the next guy? There's no magic to it. But yeah, you're right. Absolutely. Once you know this stuff, it's like, how do you even? You look at other people, you're like, how do you even do this? But because they're still washed on the brain. We are here to soak their brains free of the wash. Anyway, man.
Oh, good Lord. Couldn't help
How's the
myself.
liquid rock business, bro?
How's the what?
The liquid rock business.
It's extremely good so far this year. So that's
I'm sure. Everybody needs their liquid rock.
Oh, it's like, I mean, when you don't have a cold winter and the ground's not frozen, guess what? People still work.
Yeah, and, man. People are pouring concrete for sure.
It's insane.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, shit's all backwards, right? Usually you're slow.
I mean, usually this time of year, like we're building for spring.
Yeah.
You're trying to build up your inventories. Well, now that's gone.
Yeah. Totally. What are we doing here? What the hell?
Yeah. Get ready for some long delivery times, folks.
Yeah, right. So yeah, that on the 4 hour. 650, huh? Interesting. Old polka dot. Getting some expansion right now, negatively correlated on 33 intraday. Yeah, this thing's probably gonna pull back a little bit. It's a dollar climbing back up. No, man, it's struggle. It's on the struggle bus. So we want to see. I want to see a flush. That's what I want. I want this baby down here by the top of the monthly. And I'm telling you right now, this dollar has not got into the meat of this monthly volatility range. And it's down there, man, the center, right? 103.7. Sounds like a radio station. 103.7. Let's go. Classic rock.
Exactly, dude. Yes.
For sure, bro. For sure. The micros are charge. Just like yesterday, too. That was a thing, man. Those E-minis, they were rising yesterday, too. Whoop. Right at the end of the day, too. Got a nice pump. All right. Just as I expected. Yeah, you say that now. We trade low time frames, folks. We trade low time frames. Let me throw this on. Let's see.
I like how Bitcoin's been riding down on that 95.5 Laplace on the PB2 from, what was it, February 21st, something like that.
Yeah, these
just going perfectly on that one. It's amazing.
Markets could fly. VIX down. VIX is back down under 19, man. This thing's all over the place. It got up to what, 23 again? Back down under 19 now. Intraday's down to 25. Tell you, man, don't be surprised if crypto bumps this weekend. There's a lot of time frames where it's below what? The power mean band. This thing's gonna creep back up in it this weekend. But do we get a nasty wick to go down and test that area, right, on those higher time frames on the RMLR on like the weekly? Right, it's down there. It's a little under 20K. That power mean, which it could. It definitely could. Why do I keep saying that? Because what do returns do? They mean revert. What does price action do? Follows the returns. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Pretty crazy, man. Pretty crazy.
Yep. Crazy indeed.
What is that? What is that? And I hear Wet Dog. Where's he at? They're barking at the nothings.
Fun fact, I was looking over the list of indicators that our guys have made in the past year, and it's more than 50. Not all of them have been released, yeah, but like the vast majority of them have. And that doesn't include all the iterations. That's just actual different indicators that all show different things, but that are all proper math, standard deviation calculators, Laplace distribution calculators, probability calculators, statistics calculators, all kinds of wonderful things, entropy calculators. More than 50, dude. That is
incredible.
In 2 years' time. So hats off to those guys. I don't say it enough. I say it all the time, and that's not enough. I love those guys.
And these guys got full-time jobs. It's not like they're just sitting around. What do you guys want us to make now? No.
Yeah. And you don't need all 50. You don't need anywhere close to all 50 to trade with the full system of our tools. You can make a full system out of as little as 3 or 4 of our indicators if you want. But, you can use 5, 6, 7, 10, whatever floats your boat. I mean, some people, want them all, whatever. That's great. All with 50 indicators. It's crazy. But, yeah, that's amazing. And you can do perfectly fine with, 5 to 10 of them. No problem. Even unless if you really want. But yeah, that's just amazing. How many options they built for us to be able to trade the VEPS. Hats off to them. My little interruption.
And then we're toying with 2 or 3 in the beta phase. So
yeah, there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, about 10 of them. They're unreleased. I don't know how many of them will actually ever be released, but there's at least 10 of them that are like in the beta, that are in the pipeline somewhere. Quite a lot.
Why is this not moving? Oh, you dummy. Note to self, don't put your iPhones too close to your trackpad, because they both feel like I'm sitting there trying to move my mouse with my iPhone.
Yeah, I think I saw you could use your magic mouse through your iPhone.
Right. Oh yeah, you can do all kinds of stuff.
There's a thing for that.
Well, dude, I've got it set up. It's in beta still, but like all my monitors, all right? So all my monitors are connected. I can run my mouse through all these monitors, but now like just Bluetooth wise, then I can run it onto my iPad too. The mouse will run right onto my iPad.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy. Yeah, that's all I need. Something else to scroll over to. I lost the mouse in the iPad the other day. I'm sitting here trying to find the mouse, looking at 5 monitors. Where in the hell is my mouse at? I'm trying to shake it. Well, I don't see it on the iPad. I'm like stuck on the iPad. God. Too much shit.
Mouse, you just have to put out some cheese. Everybody knows that.
Everybody. Got here. Thanks. Okay. What you got, MJ? What are we looking at?
Well, let's see.
What should I pop up?
Well, you know what's funny? I mean, I look at the same stuff you guys are looking at. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're looking at rice?
Not rice.
Are we looking at? We gonna look at some rice futures? Little shout out to Ski God, sitting there in his castle trading rice and corn.
Woohoo!
It's exciting.
I haven't brought up. Is there a chart for shallots? I haven't brought that chart up. You know,
shallots futures.
Yeah.
Yeah, onion futures, man.
Onion futures, baby. Cannot go wrong.
And that'll end up being the one that you'd want to be in if the whole world starts to crash. It'll be like, you should have been in shallots.
Should have been in shallots.
Everyone needs shallots for their thingamajig food.
The thingamajig. Right. Let's pull up. Hold on there real quick. Meow. Where are they at? There they are. First, let's check out the crypto bubbles. Yes, the bubbles. Gonna see a big mess here at red. Oh yeah, a lot of fraternization going on too. Hey, you stay away. EOS, SSV.
You want a bunch of band-aids, not first aid advice.
Oh, yesterday Luna Classic was up. Now it's down 10%. Oh, AGIX. The bubble's popping on the artificial intelligence. Hopefully Warlord took all your profit. FTT. Now, why is FTT and Luna Classic crashing? This is bullshit. I was 100x long on those. Damn it. Wrecked again. My financial advisor told me they were great buys.
Yeah. I mean, they got new devs. They were turning that whole thing around.
New devs, right?
Yes.
They said they recovered $5 billion in customer assets, and then they said, "Oh wait, we screwed up. There is 8.9 billion missing." Crash.
So much for the roadmap.
Yeah, what the hell, man? Roadmap, schmroadmap.
They had a white paper. I don't understand.
I don't understand either. They had all the good catchphrases.
And it has been audited by one of the largest auditing companies.
Yeah, that's right.
Nice. Yeah, so that's interesting. Not really. Let's see here. Where is my S&P 500? Let's see this mother. Let's get the heat map, baby. Let's get the heat map. Actually, not bad. Not bad. I'd say it's a mixed bag. It's a mixed bag. It is a mixed bag. It's kind of flipped. Everything that was down yesterday's up. Everything that was up is down. Imagine that. I can't believe these data sets go up and down like this. This is crazy. Shouldn't it just go one way?
Everything should just go up.
Everything should just go up. That's what I'm talking about. But like right now, you got Apple, Amazon, Meta, Tesla. Yeah. They're leading the way.
Damn shorters. They should outlaw shorting.
Who was that? I was saying that one time. I was just like, really? You goofies.
Oh, plenty of people have said that. Plenty of people in positions of quote unquote authority too.
Yeah,
the silliest thing ever. Like, Really? So you should just allow people to buy. Oh, okay. What? That doesn't even make sense.
Yeah.
Whenever I hear nonsense like that, I'm like, so you never actually traded, right? Because when you buy something, someone has to. When you buy something, somebody has to sell it to you, right? Otherwise, there's not a deal.
Exactly.
Kind of amazing.
It's like, oh, I never noticed that before. Yeah, I can tell you didn't. Yeah, you definitely didn't.
Yeah, you definitely didn't if you didn't notice that.
Silly.
Yeah. No, but what's hilarious? I mean, hilarious, also annoying and sad for retail traders, right? Is like, as retail traders, we get locked out of a lot of things because we're not institutionals, right? So we're not allowed to do certain things because we're retail traders. Like, wait, but you understand that you need liquidity on both the buys and the sells in the books. Like, what is the point of blocking people because we don't get access to that? Oh, I see. You only get access to it when it's not a good deal. Got it. Thanks. I know where to sell.
Right.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah, man. Go dollar. Drive down these assets. Make them cheapy.
Cheapy.
Give me some cheapy assets for the weekend to have fun with. Dollar.
Dollar bills, y'all.
Yeah, man. Whitey Ford sings the blues. Dude, Amazon kicking it up a notch today, huh?
Yeah. Amazon, Meta, Tesla. They moving. Cream.
They honey badger in for now.
Yep.
For now.
Kareem.
Look at my rice, man. Rice had a nice open market dump in the last 15 minutes. And is now like, all right, I found my little buys. They're right there at the weekly. Right there at the top of the weekly. Coming right back at you. Alpha 4 level. Alpha 4 hour. I got you, Alpha 4 hour Laplace mean. I got you. That's actually the is that the first resistance, second resistance?
Cash rules everything around me. Cream gets some money. Dollar bills, y'all. Ooh. Is that copyright infringement?
The first support at 40, the first daily support, Rice, 1747.
Oh, we really are looking at Rice. What's the ticker on Rice futures?
I really am looking at Rice, bro.
What's that ticker? I can't remember.
ZR1 exclamation.
That's exactly what it is. ZR1 exclamation. Rough. I want rough Rice futures. The San Francisco treat.
Yeah, man. The rough rice futures is good because people gotta eat rice one way or the other. They don't care if it's rice or fine. Or
a lot of people eat the rice, man. A lot of people eat the rice. Rice is setting up some nasty hidden bear right below the 99, right below the wave trend. Here it is. It checked up on the wave trend. It's back in the power mean band. My God, Rice futures could dump out.
Yeah, good.
Yield.
Already had a 1% drop, more than a 1% drop in that last half hour. So
yeah, man.
Good.
It's a 5-day look.
That's
like.
a lot. That's a lot for a 1%.
Hey, outside the power mean band, check up on the reverse wave trend. Imagine that. Outside, check up. Outside, check up. Outside, check up. Rice futures likes the UPM.
Yep.
Yes,
you don't have to be a rocket scientist to trade. You just have to be observant and learn.
Holy shit, people like rice.
Yeah, man. Think of all the dishes it's in. Think
people
of how stable,
like the rice.
Think of how important it is for all the meals.
Oh my God, it's in everything.
Give me my sushi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sushi, exactly. Rice is wheat. I know it's ridiculous, but it's not ridiculous. It's all super important.
Yeah, there's not enough.
They may not be as exciting and sexy as crypto, but hey, percentage is percentage.
Percentages are percentages.
Yep.
No shit about that. So yeah.
Okay.
Easy. Could be getting ready to get some rice patties flown to the downside.
Mm-hmm.
One never knows. 4-hour turning around. Look at the 4-hour dumping on the what? Reverse wave trend. 4-hour drops outside the power mean band. What's it do? Wow, look at that wick that just jacked all kinds of people. And then right to the reverse wave trend. Now, bottom side of the power mean band, $17.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to lose a couple quarters off the rice futures. Oh, no.
Well, it's funny because, like, it's a perfect example of an asset that if you have the right position, right, on certain exchanges, like, they offer up to like 1,000x on leverage on commodities like this. But that's because, I mean, look at how little it moves, right? Relatively.
Yeah.
It's fairly tight. And so, like, a big move is like a 1% move. During that thing, and like during the day, you'll have some huge moves of like 2-3%, which is a lot for our commodity. But they're small enough amounts or whatever.
ZC. That's what I was looking
use
for.
Leverage actually use it on this kind of stuff. I would still be like, yeah, you don't need it on that. But when you're buying huge amounts or whatever.
Oh yeah, they're about to dump rice and pump corn. Yeah, as you got rice dumping out, corn's going to make its way up to like, whoa, yeah, man. There we go. Corn futures. Corn futures. The exact opposite charts, man.
Yep.
Pump the corn, dump the rice. Let's go.
Exactly. Like, when Asia goes to bed, sells off their rice. America gets to work, buys all the corn.
Yeah, got to feed all the fatties in the Midwest. They love corn. Get some corn for the corn feds.
Americans love their corn.
Oh my God. It's all genetically modified too. Good luck.
Popular around the world, to be honest.
Yeah. All this shit's so genetically modified these days. It's icky poo. Icky poo, man. I don't know. Oh, we're trying to save the world. The world's starving. Oh, are we? Are we really? That's the narrative they'd love to push.
We definitely have enough corn to feed the world.
No.
It's just a question of management and political interests.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
Let's tell them we're having a corn shortage. We're having a rice shortage. Dump it and pump corn. What about orange juice futures? It was the Dukes. It was the Dukes. It was the Dukes. It was the Dukes.
Pork belly futures.
Right. We got them all. We got your corn. Okay. Let's see. Let's throw the old corn futures up on that sumbitch too. Why not? Somebody's got to do it. There we go. Got our bonds, our corns, and our rices. Joy. Yeah, corn's pumping. Corn's going to pump. Let's just look on the 5-day. Yeah, outside the power mean band on 5-day too. About the same spot. Beautiful. Yeah, seems about to pump. About to pump. Got any div? Not really. No div up here on the 5-day.
Corns, and I like yellow corns, and I like all kinds of yummy corns.
Oh no. Jeez. Yeah, and look, we're getting ready to get this cross down too. Yeah, corn's about to pop. And the reverse wave trend up there on the 5-day. You got this cross happening on the daily. Same area. Alrighty then. What do we got to say about corn? Contract. Oh yeah, the contract switch. Let's see. Set for weekly falls. Oh no. Chicago soybeans.
Oh no, some newspaper ink got spilled.
Right. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Yeah, man. I just like to look at that stuff because staples are important, but it's always good. I like to look at the more volatile stuff, obviously. But hey, look, when you have a 1% move on an asset like rice, that's actually volatile.
Yeah. There's the S&P on the daily. Got outside the power mean band. Boom. Now it's above the wave trend. Stuck right underneath the stuck right underneath The 33 and the 9, but stabilizing up above the 99. I like it. Just got to get up above here. I'll tell you what, man. Tell you what. Could go into the end of the day with SPY up here. Did it tap the 1SD? Almost, man. Almost. Center of the weekly, though? Or monthly? 402? That's what I'm looking for. It's going to depend on this dollar. It didn't like the top of the bears are sitting up here, man. Top of the weekly range. They sent that data set right back down into the daily. No. Where are you going? Back down, you beast. Back freaking down. Was it 1045?
Yeah. Center that monthly on SPY. Totally like 404 and change.
Faux show.
Change.
Big time, man. Big freaking time. Let's see here.
And it's right above the monthly, right above the weekly too.
Right here,
you can roll happy volatility.
Yeah, I gotta go too. We're gonna have to close this baby down. So hey, now everybody, watch out this weekend. It's gonna depend. Here, I'll tell you right now. So you got the dollar already checked up on the first standard deviation to the downside. If this dollar can make its way down today and close below this weekly, you're probably going to see crypto pump. Probably going to see crypto pump this weekend, especially that 4 hour is so outside or to the downside of the power mean band, right? This baby at some point's going to pull back up. It will be this weekend. If you see the dollar close down here like below 104.5 or something, maybe down towards the top of the monthly, 104.3, crypto's probably going to pump this weekend. If you see it charge and close literally above the weekly, we could get that move down to 20K this weekend real quick. I don't see it staying down there long. A wick right to it. Check up. The returns will be mean reverting on those higher time frames, and then bam, think could rocket right back up. So be careful out there. If you're trading, trade it intraday. Low time frames. Get all the moves, man. Don't swing trade volatility. Do not swing trade volatility. And if we do have a big move this weekend and crypto dumps out or anything happens, we'll do a little live stream about it. Yes, we will. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Didn't really have anybody coming in requesting any asset analysis, which is fine. Maybe next week, get some people in here. Right? That's what we're here for. We're here for you. I'm not just here talking to myself. Want to help you retail traders figure out. We don't want you buying tops, selling bottoms anymore. Stop that. Bad. Yes. Okay. All right then. We'll be, if nothing happens in crypto over the weekend, we'll see you Monday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all that being said, wherever you live at on this big, beautiful blue marble, have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. Talk to you later.